Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This one's going to be a very quick one. No, we are not working on the Subaru today. We are going to be working on the fiance's 2013 old reliable Corolla. So it's nothing major. I just saw these LED lights from Amazon, and this one claims to be 200% brighter. So we're going to be testing that out. She's coming from the stock halogen lights, but what we got here are some LED lights for the fog lights. I believe these are the H11 size fog lights, and then the 9006 headlights. I'll put the Amazon links below in the description so you guys can check it out. All right, let's go ahead and do some before and afters. So it comes with zip ties and looks like some double-sided tape. Nice. Doesn't feel cheap, feels good. Hopefully the heater's not too loud. It's kind of running right now. But I ended up using the supplied 3M or double-sided tape, and I ended up taping this piece right here on the backside of this bar right here. You guys can't really see it, but it's like a 90-degree angle, and I put it right here on the other side. And also I just used the supplied zip ties, to keep the wires from moving too much. But I just saw in the container, and I'm really impressed by this. So if you take out the bulb, look at this. It even comes with some gloves so you can put your light bulbs in there and not get any grease or anything in there. So I'm really impressed by this. That's amazing. Install is finished for this side. It was super easy. Like with all light bulbs, it should be super easy. All you do is take out the old one, stick the new one in, and turn it, and you should be good. So let's get the fog light swapped out with the ones we bought. So these are the H11s for the fog lights. It's always good practice when you're swapping out bulbs to never take it out until you're ready to use it, but for the purposes of the video, I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. Alright, so with the Corollas, you actually need a 10mm socket, just because there is this one bolt that's under here, and I'll try to get my light under here, but it is this one right here. So once you get that off, you can have access to the fog light. Should be pretty easy. And careful not to scrape anything on the way back up to the fog light housing. Oh, it's a little hard to see, but just do your best. We'll do a quick comparison before we install the passenger side bulbs. That's pretty bright. And so far, just based on that quick comparison, it looks promising. They are pretty bright, and they're not as bright as, those HIDs to where it's blinding people. I think it's just the right amount of brightness to them. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the install on the other side. We'll try to take it out on a drive. And you wanna do the same thing as the driver's side. You just wanna find a spot for this right here. And I actually ended up finding a good spot for it, but it's right there, right where that metal is, so that is not going anywhere, so we're good on that part. Now let's get the fog light installed and call it a day. I like the lights, but it's not gonna matter unless the fiance likes it. So let's go ahead and see what she feels about them. I mean, I like them, but like I said, it's not my car. All right, it's the ultimate test. Oh, that's a good sign. You like them? I told you. All right, good to go. We passed. All right, guys, so just a short video for today. The fiance is happy with the lights, and mission accomplished. I'm waiting for some more parts to come in for this car before we can work on it. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.